Here's my DUI forearm training station. You can do all sorts of forearm motion, like curls, like this. You can either curl it down or upwards. Right now there's 2.5 kilo plate, so it's not so much, but I think it's a quite good accessory exercise to burn down those muscles, as you can see. It has got a handle to do some pronation movement like this, and it has got a DUI gripper made from some metal pipes. It's quite fun because you can use it both, one or with two of your palms, and you can actually have a support in this beam. 15 kilos isn't so much, so it's not an effort, as you can see. This station also works as a handle for some accessories like fat grips, a pair of spinlock dumbbells, this thing right here. It's a pronation machine, DUI pronation machine, made of a 160 millimeters of diameter pipe connector, some old kiddie bike chain, and a hook. And the handle is actually made of a snow sweeper, a broken snow sweeper. So you can attach some weight and pronate your forearm just like this. It can also be used as a table for arm wrestling training, like this, for example. Oh, I don't have a fat grip. Oh, here it is. So I can quickly attach the fat grip, like so. Put my elbow, like this, then switch it 180 degrees and train the other arm. And I can also use DUI handle made of a pin roller. That's how we call it. Women use it to make cakes and stuff. Oh. Grab it like this. And you can also roll it the other way and use it to train your curl motion, like this. That's it. Thank you so much.